The Australian stock market has closed at its lowest level for 12 months, with investors scared off by the continuing debt problems in Europe. With Greece teetering on the brink of a euro exit, Spain has now sunk back into recession. The credit ratings agency Moody's has downgraded 16 Spanish banks, and there are fears that their bad debts may actually be significantly higher than they've reported. Europe correspondent Philip Williams has more.
As world leaders arrived in the United States for the G8 meeting, there was no doubt what would top the bill. The ongoing European crisis has spread. The current focus, Spain, where a downgrade by Moody's of 16 banks has further spooked global markets. European markets followed the Asian and Australian lead down. The Spanish government says it will appoint independent auditors to measure the depth of the banking black holes. The fear that concern will turn to panic and a run on the banks. Bank customers are not impressed with the increased risk to their savings. This man says it appears we've become the bait of all those speculators, and it's really tough on us. And another, the banks are the biggest thieves out there. The people that have created this mess are the businessmen and the banks. In Greece, there's already a limited run on the banks, where concern about the country leaving the Eurozone has sparked a rush of withdrawals.
This is a very dangerous phenomenon because already the level of the savings has declined quite a lot.
All the major parties contesting the next election have pledged their support for Greece sticking with the euro, but the clear warning from the European Commission and Germany is if a future Greek government attempts to renegotiate the bailout, then the Greeks may be forced back to the drachma. One British banknote printing company is already preparing for that possibility. The British Prime Minister David Cameron has been applying more pressure on the Eurozone countries to get their shaky house in order.
The Eurozone is at a crossroads. It either has to make up or it is looking at a potential breakup. Either Europe has a committed, stable, successful Eurozone, or we are in uncharted territory which carries huge risks for everybody.
Some see that as an attempt to blame Britain's own economic worries on the Eurozone crisis.
David Cameron isn't part of the solution, he's part of the problem. He promised Britain there would be recovery, and he's delivered a recession.
Politics aside, everyone recognises the globally destructive power of the crisis that sees no end. But so far, collective fear has not added up to united solutions. Philip Williams, Lateline.